This is how I double my salary by changing careers.
In front of a slate gray backdrop, a man in a blazer addresses the camera. Text: Indeed, get my job. True stories of how people got their job. Charles Butler.
I started as a substitute teacher, making about $9 an hour. I knew that was no way sustainable. I wanted to eventually have a family, I wanted to have a career, and I wanted to have benefits. But I knew where I wanted to go. I wanted to be in a clinic, and I wanted to be in healthcare administration, where I could make at least double that amount.
Bundles of cash pile up on a table.
I went to actual clinics and asked them what they did to get here, what questions were going to be asked on interviews. I knew I wanted to be in a clinic working in healthcare administration, but as a substitute teacher, I had to find a way to merge those two to boost my skill set. Where I was from, they had a magnet school that specialized in pre-health profession students. And so these high schoolers were going to be nurses, they were going to be doctors, they were going to be in healthcare administration, and I focused on applying to jobs there. So I took that information, all that I learned and gathered from teaching those students, and applied it to my resume. I broke it down skill by skill and used it when I applied for jobs in clinics. My biggest piece of advice for those trying to increase their salary, double their salary, just get out there and ask questions about the positions that you want. See a job that you like, go talk to that person, ask them about their resume, ask them the interview process, ask them what credentials they have, and assign that to your resume. Look how your skill set transfers over to their skill set. Most people tend to be helpful when you're looking for a job. So that's how I doubled my salary. I hope these tips can help you double yours.
Text: The information on this video is provided as a courtesy. Indeed is not a career or legal advisor and does not guarantee job interviews or offers. Indeed compensated individuals for their participation in this video.